Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel Lorenza Cooks and Vlogs. If you're new here, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and hit that bell as well so that you'll get notified on my future uploads. Okay, so without further ado, today's recipe is chicken stir fry. This is a quick recipe, guys, if you're in a hurry. So you can just cook pretty quick for your family or for yourself before going to work. Okay, so here are our ingredients. As you can see, we have pretty much a lot of ingredients, but actually not. They're just a lot of them are mostly spices. Okay, let's get started now. So first things first, we need to marinate our chicken. Here I have sliced chicken. These are about 3 chicken fillet. Others may use other parts of the chicken, but I am using a chicken fillet. Okay, so we're going to marinate now. Now I have soy sauce. This is about like 1/4 cup of soy sauce, but we're going to split this, marinate, and half will be used later. Okay, and same thing with our garlic. We're going to split this and we're going to use half of this later. Okay, and hold on a second. So we have our lemon. This is about 1/8 cup of lemon juice, and I'm going to split this as well. Half of these will go into our marinade and half will be in our slurry later. Okay, and I have 1 tablespoonful of ketchup. Others may use tomato paste, but today I'm gonna use ketchup. Alright, so next we need to add our chicken powder. Okay, like 1/2 tablespoon of chicken powder. Okay, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil here, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, and about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. That's it. This is optional, but you know this is my favorite spice. I mean, this is Italian. Don't forget our black pepper as well. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to massage our chicken to incorporate with our ingredients. Well, all right. Gently. All right. Okay, we're going to set this aside for at least 10 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But if you have plenty of time, you can go more. But I can only go with 10 minutes. All right. So. Okay. All right. Now let's drop in our marinated chicken to our heated pan. If you have wok, then that would be perfect. But I'm sure this one will too. Here we go. And it's over a high heat. Okay, I'm gonna change this one. Hold on. All right. Let's cook about 2 to 3 minutes each side, and then another 2 minutes on the other side, or maybe 3 minutes if you want. Okay. Okay, let's flip to the other side. All right, 2 minutes. Okay, I think this is done. And let's set this aside. Okay. Now we're going to saute our onion, or our remaining onion. Okay, let's go in 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, cooking oil. All right, our remaining onion. Hold on. Remaining onion. I mean garlic. Sorry. And then let's put our ginger. I think this is a lot. And let's put another half a teaspoon of chicken powder. Don't forget our pepper. And of course, pinch of salt. And you know what's supposed to be this pepper, bell pepper, they go towards the end, but I'm using a bell pepper that is kind of hard, not the soft type. So they're going in first, and of course our chicken. And the remaining soy sauce. And this is the remaining cornstarch. And if you have a chicken broth, you can use it. It's especially for the homemade one, is the best. But since I am in a hurry, I don't have any chicken broth right now. So what I'm using is water with the chicken cubes, and I'm going to melt our cornstarch, and this will go in as well. Stir-fried chicken. Okay, now it's time to drop in our onion, our white onion. All right. Simmer. Okay. All right, it's time to drop in our spring onion because our stir-fried chicken looks almost done. All right. Yeah, it looks yummy.